Hello, this is Renee's handy tip line on how to open a garage door in the event of a power failure. I'm talking about the kind of garage door that you conveniently have a remote to open and close, but you may or may not have been faced in the past with a power failure, preventing you from being able to use your electronic opener. If that happens, it's a real simple way to release it. If you have access to the inside of the door, all you simply have to do is locate a lever. It's a release lever, like this one right here. They're usually marked in a highlight color so that they're easy to locate. It is at the end of the track for the garage door, where if it's in the closed position, it will be near the front of the door. You simply pull this lever like that, it releases it, and then you can manually lift your door to access it. If, however, you are, like in the case of this building, there are no interior access points, you are stuck with having to use a key to unlock the door. So usually right in the middle of the panel, you'll have a lock that you simply, so it goes in this direction. You will insert your key. Now I have not yet tested this lock for function. You insert the key. You have to make sure it's in all the way. Sometimes, because these locks are not used very often, they will be sticky. So you really sometimes have to wedge the key around, or have WD-40 to the spray in there to loosen it up. You turn it counter 1/4 way, and you'll pull it out. This is important because this is a release from the outside. You give it a tug, you can hear the lock release like you saw in the other one, and then again, you should be able to just lift up the door to access your car. That is your handy tip for the day.